In this video, I'm going to explain how auto turn off timer helps your appliances switch off automatically after a set time, preventing unnecessary power waste and improving safety. Forgotten appliances waste electricity and can become safety risks. Auto turn off. Timer automatically shuts down an appliance after the duration you set, even if nobody checks the app or remembers to turn it off manually. Perfect for geysers, heaters, iron boxes, charging sockets, kitchen exhausts, and other high power appliances that should never run longer than necessary. The timer works even when the appliance is turned on from the physical wall switch, ensuring protection at all times. Now, I'll show you how to set auto turn off timer. Open the Home Automation app. Tap on Devices at the bottom. Select the room. Tap on the switch settings. Tap on Set Auto Turn Off Timer. Enter the time in minutes. Then tap on Save. That's it. Once the switch is turned on, the system will automatically turn it off after the set duration. Set the limit once. Your appliances handle the rest automatically. Thank you